All right, it's just another day in the life on our homestead. So welcome to Clement's Family Farm. So this morning, I was just getting ready to do one of my chores, which is spray weeds. And it was early this morning, probably about 7 o'clock. Fog's in, and it was like a perfect morning, no wind. I can't spray when it's windy, just so it protects my other vegetation. But here's how things change. I got my rig all set up for spraying, and I drove around the house over to where my bees are and came over here. Granted, last weekend we went through all of our bees and set them all up. We actually did a split and got them all nice, healthy, happy, see what they needed, got them going, fixed their hives up. So everything was perfect. But we also know there was some strange activity in there. We didn't know what was going on. But as I drove around the house this morning, guess what I found? A swarm. I don't know why they're swarming or which hive it is, but I saw one hanging. They must have swarmed yesterday. Now they're hanging on one of our orchard trees. Or it could be another colony that flew in. We get that too here. So since we have bees, other colonies come and say, hey, they check out all my equipment. They sit here and they're looking for a home. Fortunate for me, I could capture them when I see them, and that's what I'm gonna go do now. So I wasn't expecting this at all. So I got one of my nuke boxes. It's small. It's a small hive on a branch, and let's go check it out. Okay, I just walked down here into my orchard and got this little swarm right here. Little cluster. They're barely on there. So yeah, they're nice and cold right now. So I'm gonna get these guys in the box. So I got my little nuke box ready to go. There's the little cluster. I'm just gonna put them in that box and then get them over in my bee stand. And then tomorrow I'll do a beehive inspection and see what's going on in there. Yeah, my goats think they're hungry, but needless to say, I just fed them. So I think all I'm gonna do is put these guys right here. Just like that. And shake them off. So I just saw the queen. There was a nice queen in there. So you can tell I'm not wearing any safety gear, but maybe I should be. But I'm just gonna go ahead. I know she's in there. There's food and everything. This will be a little warmer. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna get him back up on the stand. Well, that's that. There's still a few left right here, but yeah, I'm not too worried about it. They'll just fly back over there. So hopefully the queen and everybody will want to stay there and not go anywhere. That'll be another high for me. I love it when this happens. Super easy. Took me 10 minutes because I was prepared with all my equipment. And I was able to just walk them over and put them on the stand. But you just never know on a homestead. I always say things change in the blink of an eye, and they do. I didn't plan on doing this morning, but I need to save these bees because look at my orchard is doing really well, and I can only contribute that to the bees that I have here. So it's very important to save as many bees as you can, and that's what we're trying to do here. Plus it benefits us. Well, that wraps up that one. Now I can go back to my regular business. It's not even 7:30 yet in the morning. So make sure you like and subscribe our videos. See you on the next one.